If you've been keeping up with Tesla, then you might be aware of the saying that Tesla is not just a car company, but also an AI company. While Tesla cars have gained more popularity over time compared to other EVs, there is still a wide range of applications and products that the company continues to develop and refine, and these are the things investors are waiting to see. Products such as the Tesla Bot, Cybertruck, Robotaxi, Dojo Computer, and full self-driving software are considered gold mines for Tesla and are expected to significantly boost its revenue when they are eventually launched. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow. The beginning of modern AI can be traced to classical philosophers' attempts to describe human thinking as a symbolic system. In the modern world, we are surrounded by products of artificial intelligence, including self-driving cars and assistants such as Amazon's Alexa. Generative AI, a part of artificial intelligence that can hold all kinds of data, including audio, code, images, text, simulations, 3D objects, and videos, take inspiration from existing data, but also generates new and unexpected outputs, breaking new ground in the world of product designs. There has been massive progress in AI over the years, and much more is expected in the near future. Business leaders are already making a large investment in AI, engaging in increasingly advanced practices known to enable scale and faster AI development, and showing signs of faring better in the tight market for AI talent. The future of artificial intelligence is a rapidly changing landscape, and that's because the present innovations in the field of AI are accelerating at such a rapid pace that it's tough to keep up. AI's influence on technology is very significant because of how it impacts computing. Through AI, computers have the ability to harness massive amounts of data and use their learned intelligence to make optimal decisions and discoveries in lesser amounts of time than it would take humans. Artificial intelligence drives down the time taken to perform a task by enabling multitasking and easing the workload for existing resources. It enables the execution of complex tasks and also saves costs that would have been needed to hire human labor. Why has artificial intelligence become so popular? And how is Tesla taking advantage of this technology? More details in this video. But before we start, if you like this type of content, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to stay up to date on everything happening with Tesla. Transportation is one industry that is certainly teed up to be drastically changed by AI. Self-driving cars and AI travel planners are just a couple of facets of how significantly the world will be influenced by AI. Even though autonomous vehicles are far from perfect, they will one day ferry us from place to place. AI progress in language has allowed Tesla to dramatically improve the capabilities of its self-driving software. Tesla's head of investor relations, Martin Viecha, previously gave insights into Tesla's plans to improve its full self-driving software, stating that the iterative process will ultimately get Tesla to full autonomy. He also added that he believes mass collection of data and AI is the only way to solve generalized autonomy, and that's the path that Tesla is taking. Tesla's FSD is based on artificial intelligence and will be used to power its humanoid robots. Although Tesla has long offered a driver assistance system called Autopilot, which can steer, brake, and accelerate its cars on highways, full self-driving is something different, and is an effort to extend this kind of technology beyond highways and onto city streets. To further pursue its goal of adopting a sustainable approach to autonomy, Tesla has built a database that will take other EV companies years to accomplish. The car company is already collecting large amounts of data from the vehicle's owners in its full self-driving beta test fleet. Connectivity has been a flagship feature of Tesla in the EV industry, and the automaker has been using this to collect data from its fleet and improve features such as autopilot. The interesting thing is, Tesla has proprietary data, meaning that no one else can use this data. Tesla's EVs are known to have cameras and sensors that collect a vast amount of environmental data and transmit it to the company's servers. Experts have said that a company like Tesla, which has obtained and is still obtaining enormous data from its full self-driving software, is in an avenged position because of the data that it has acquired from millions of its cars on the road, driving billions of miles. With more data collected, Tesla can improve its full self-driving capabilities. Data collected is used to develop and refine Tesla's self-driving assistance system, which Tesla sells to its customers as a value-added service. It is noteworthy that this is a simple software update, with no additional hardware installed, yet it is sold to customers at an additional cost. For any EV company to come close to Tesla, they'll need to collect a lot of data and then build on this data. Considering the length of time required for this, it is fair to say that no one is coming close to Tesla anytime soon. This data collection is voluntary for Tesla customers, and even though most customers are more than willing to let Tesla collect data, since the automaker uses the data to feed its neural networks which power autopilot and now full self-driving systems. This data also contains a wealth of information that can be used by forensic investigators and traffic accident analysts. Tesla can detect when drivers intervene during autopilot operations and send back data to the mothership to help keep the neural networks improving. Tesla turns this stream of data into a new service that triggers customer engagement or enables the customer to get more from its product. Tesla has a strong lead when it comes to solving autonomy, majorly because of the amount of data accessible to it. One other way in which Tesla is delving into AI can become massively beneficial in its terms of its humanoid robot. Gross domestic product, or GDP, is effectively the result of labor, particularly human labor. And if this labor is expanded globally, this could significantly expand GDP. Tesla is making huge progress with its humanoid robot, which Musk claims will usher in a fundamental transformation for civilization. Several AI experts, like Andrej Karpathy, believe that the Tesla bot is the right path to travel if Tesla wants to achieve useful robots and automated help in all aspects of working and personal lives. Although it might take a while before Tesla's robots become common in homes and workplaces, Elon Musk believes that the company's goal is to make a useful humanoid robot as quickly as possible. The Tesla CEO particularly has high expectations for this project, and seeing that Tesla has already gained popularity with its electric vehicles and is also making significant efforts to roll out the Tesla bots, there's a high chance we could see Tesla bots functioning in real-life scenarios in the not-too-distant future. Tesla is also making strong moves in AI training. The automaker disclosed that it is starting to put together a massive, custom-built stack of hardware called Dojo to train its AI on all the video its cars are picking up and sending this information back to the company. According to Musk, it's possible that Tesla sells compute time on Dojo, where it becomes a service that is available online and can be used to train car models way faster and for less money. From Tesla's previous updates, it is expected that this supercomputer will power the future generations of Tesla products. It was originally announced at the last AI Day, and many Tesla fans expect to see further information on this microchip, as well as the practical applications of the chip and its uses for the new processing power and machine learning specialization. The Dojo supercomputer has been built from the ground up by Tesla and is focused on pure machine learning, meaning that it isn't backward compatible with existing products on the market, but has been specifically designed to power the next generation of AI-based technology. Tesla is still in its first stages with AI. For instance, while Tesla cars can become autonomous, it is a supervised autonomy, meaning that drivers still need to pay attention while driving or risk losing access to the service. Likewise, it may take a while before Tesla fully breaks the mystery of its humanoid robot, although Musk is quite optimistic that it won't take that long. What are your thoughts on Tesla's goal to achieve autonomy? Let us know in the comments section. If you would like to know what Tesla has been up to these past few days, go ahead and click on the next video on your screen. See you there.